Autoimmune diseases represent a complex group of disorders where the immune system, designed to protect the body from foreign invaders, mistakenly attacks its own cells and tissues. This aberrant response leads to a myriad of health issues, ranging from mild to severe. While autoimmune diseases have been a subject of study for decades, recent advancements in medical research, particularly in the field of immunotherapy, are offering new hope for patients grappling with these enigmatic conditions. Understanding autoimmune diseases. Autoimmune diseases comprise a diverse array of conditions, including rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, multiple sclerosis, type 1 diabetes, and others. What ties these disorders together is the body's inability to differentiate between its own healthy cells and harmful invaders, resulting in chronic inflammation and tissue damage. The immunotherapy revolution. Immunotherapy, a groundbreaking approach in the field of medicine, focuses on leveraging the body's own immune system to combat diseases. In the context of autoimmune disorders, the aim is to restore the balance of the immune system and prevent it from attacking healthy tissues. Biologics and targeted therapies. One of the key developments in autoimmune disease treatment is the advent of biologic drugs. These are designed to target specific components of the immune system responsible for the abnormal response. Monoclonal antibodies, for example, can selectively inhibit inflammatory pathways, providing a more targeted and effective treatment approach. Checkpoint inhibitors. Originally developed for cancer treatment, checkpoint inhibitors have shown promise in autoimmune diseases. These drugs target molecules that regulate immune responses, helping to modulate the immune system's activity. However, their application in autoimmune conditions requires careful consideration to avoid triggering excessive immune reactions. Personalized immunotherapy. The era of personalized medicine has also reached autoimmune diseases. Researchers are exploring the potential of tailoring immunotherapies based on individual genetic and immunological profiles. This approach aims to optimize treatment outcomes while minimizing side effects. Gene editing technologies. Emerging gene editing technologies, such as CRISPR-Cas9, hold tremendous potential for treating autoimmune diseases at the genetic level. Researchers are investigating ways to modify or regulate specific genes associated with immune dysfunction, offering a more precise and long-term solution. Challenges and future directions. Despite the promising strides in immunotherapy for autoimmune diseases, challenges persist. The delicate balance of immune modulation must be carefully managed to avoid unintended consequences, such as increased susceptibility to infections or the development of other autoimmune conditions. Additionally, the high cost of biologic drugs and the intricate nature of personalized medicine pose logistical and economic challenges. Immunotherapy represents a beacon of hope for individuals grappling with the complexities of autoimmune diseases. As our understanding of the immune system deepens and technology continues to advance, the potential for more effective and targeted treatments is within reach. The journey from scientific discovery to practical application is ongoing, and the collaboration of researchers, clinicians, and pharmaceutical innovators is vital in realizing the full potential of immunotherapy and reshaping the landscape of autoimmune disease management. Collaborative efforts and patient empowerment. As the field of immunotherapy for autoimmune diseases advances, collaboration among scientists, clinicians, pharmaceutical companies, and patient advocacy groups becomes increasingly critical. Sharing insights and data can accelerate the development of novel treatments and ensure their accessibility. Collaborative research initiatives. Encouraging interdisciplinary collaboration can lead to a more comprehensive understanding of autoimmune diseases. By fostering partnerships between immunologists, geneticists, clinicians, and technology experts, researchers can combine their diverse expertise to unravel the intricacies of these disorders. Patient-centric approaches. In the pursuit of effective immunotherapies, it is essential to involve patients in the decision-making process. Understanding their experiences, challenges, and preferences is crucial for developing therapies that not only target the biological aspects of the diseases but also address the practical and emotional needs of individuals living with autoimmune conditions. Education and awareness. Increasing public awareness about autoimmune diseases and the potential of immunotherapy is pivotal. Education campaigns can help dispel myths, reduce stigma, and empower patients to actively participate in their treatment journeys. Informed patients are better equipped to make decisions about their health and contribute valuable insights to ongoing research. Global health initiatives. Autoimmune diseases affect millions worldwide, and global collaboration is essential for addressing the diverse genetic and environmental factors contributing to these conditions. International research efforts and clinical trials can enhance our understanding of the diseases, variations across populations, and facilitate the development of therapies that are effective on a global scale. Ethical considerations. As with any transformative medical technology, ethical considerations must guide the development and implementation of immunotherapies for autoimmune diseases. Ensuring equitable access, minimizing risks, and respecting individual autonomy are essential principles that should underpin the ethical framework surrounding these innovative treatments. A new chapter in autoimmune disease management. The landscape of autoimmune disease management is undergoing a transformative shift with the advent of immunotherapy. The collaborative efforts of the scientific community, healthcare providers, and patients themselves are shaping a future where targeted, personalized treatments offer new hope and improved quality of life. While challenges remain, the progress made in understanding the immune system's intricacies and developing innovative therapies highlights the resilience of human ingenuity in the face of complex health challenges. As we continue to explore the frontiers of immunotherapy, a future where autoimmune diseases are not just managed, but effectively treated and, in some cases, prevented, seems within reach. By embracing the principles of collaboration, patient-centered care, and ethical considerations, we can collectively usher in a new chapter in the pursuit of better health for those affected by autoimmune diseases.